Our dog ain't near yet. Oh, we just ran over. Ah! What the fudge? What do we do to it? Just keep on driving, man. Keep on driving. I don't see the flea and tick boy. I don't see Is Dante still in the game?
Yeah, he's still in the game.
Alright, well, where's that freaking dog at? The flea and tick. It needs the flea and tick treatment. It's a ravaged dog. It has scabies. I'm scared it has scabies, man. It has some scabies. And I don't like that. Oh, there's a dog! Drive! There's a dog! It's coming! Drive! What is this girl doing? Is that your what? Drive! It's coming! Drive! It's coming! Drive! It's coming! Drive! It's coming! Oh my god! Drive! There's a rabies-like dog outside, dude! Flip it, run! Ah! Dude, it's coming! Run! It's catching up! Oh my god! Drive! Drive quicker! Drive faster! I'm coming out! I jumped out of the car! Drive! Scabies! You're gonna run into McDonald's! What the dog's way over there! Huh. Wait, just go around, do that little darn crap. There's a dog!
This girl's trying to rape him.
Oh, she's trying to get us!
Okay, Dante's occupied. Where should we go?
Up your butt and around the corner. I don't know.
Dante's occupied. She's trying to rape him.
Okay. Sounds like a plan, and also I'm making a video. Oh god, you almost ran someone.
He got away.
Wait, he got away? There's someone named Lily. Oh, this person's trying to get in the car. Don't let her in! Drive! Dingus, drive! Run her over! She's in. Well, then drive recklessly into McDonald's like I did in the last video. Just drive recklessly. I don't see the dog. It touched our car! We ran over. What the heck is that, Hulk? What the fuck? Move! Use your honker! Oh, what was that? Where's the dog? I don't like this. I don't see it. I don't even see the dog. Drive! Go quicker! Drive! No, I accidentally jumped out of the car. Give me in. No! Give me in the dog. Run! The dog's coming. Run! Get me in the freaking car. Where's the freaking car? Help! There's a dog with scabies.
He jumped into a wall and died.
Fell through the world? Idiot. Where's the dog with scabies? The scabby dog fell through the world. Are you serious? Where is he, dude? Where? Oh wait, that's not the right dog. Oh! That's not that shy dog. Shy guy. Whoa! Don't touch me! Don't touch me, you stupid dog. Where? Ah! Don't go. Freaking run! Get me in! I'm in! It's a lion! It's a freaking lion! It's a lion! Okay, let me in. Shut the fuck up. I'm not. It's a lion. It's Mr. Lion from The Wizard of Oz, except he's evil.
We need to get a helicopter.
I'm stuck on a freaking bomb. Get in a helicopter? Who can afford a helicopter? Oh, the lion's right there. Kenyon, I don't mean to be rude or anything,
299 Robux.
but I'm ditching. Okay, nope, I'm out of here. Kenyon, where'd you go? Run! Kenyon, don't get attacked! Jump out of the car! Jump out! Run! Stupid lion. You little... Get back here. I'm in. Drive away! It's trying to murder us. What does that thing want with us? That thing's trying to kill us.
Let them send to receive this. Thanks for taking my car.
I accidentally crashed the freaking car. How do you flip it up though? I don't think so. Oh, Facker. Bacon. You know what? That thing's slow. What the flip is Shrek doing? What the? Shrek, what'd you do? What are you doing? Get you with the stroller. We're on top of him. We're on Shrek. Oh my god. Where'd Shrek go? Where'd Shrek go? Ah, he's trying to tase me. He's trying to tase me. He's trying to tase me. What happened? Where are we? Where am I? Kenyon? Where? I'm on the piano, Kenyon. But I don't know where the map is.
Wait, you're on my llama?
Yeah, but your llama's nowhere near. Where is there? Where even am I? I think
Wait, is my llama going?
Yeah, it's in outer space. I'm not even by the map, and I'm on your flippin' llama. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm just floating on nothing, and the llama's just, like, with me, I guess. Oh, gosh! I was falling. Your llama's dead. So am I. But I came back. Okay, I gotta reset, so hold up. Yeah, your llama's on the moon. Great, my character is slow again.
Same.
Oh, wait, it says I can dismount your thing, but it won't let me.
I'm getting on my phone. Screw that.
I have to leave and rejoin. Don't leave yet. Alright, join me. Yeah, I became a wizard. What the I'm scarred. What is... Yes. Alana. What is wrong with this? There's too many business cats. Stop, Alana. Help. Leave me alone, you stupid kitty cat. Okay, dude, there's a big fat cat over there.
This whole time, I could have ran on my Xbox.
You're dumb. Bye-bye. Ooh, there's a car right here.
I'm getting on my phone. I mean Xbox.
Alright, you go have fun with that. And Will, where's the dog with scabies? Shut up. Ew, there's one of that fat Garfield rip-offs with a shirt. Dirty little beast. Oh, SpongeBob movie. Oh, that was a great show. No. It's a present for my mouth. Do you like it? System. Your girlfriend, Kenyon, has joined. Hey, big boy. Let's go.
I'm on my Xbox.
Nobody asked. Hey,
Oh
you.
my God.
Nobody asked. I'm in the girl section. I don't want to be like that. I gotta be like a girl because I am. Okay, you're scary. Oh, your ball. Let's go camping. No. Oh, great. I hear Shrek and his stupid taser. Help. I'm not a lion. Alright, let's go look for this. I'm not a lion. Shrek! Run!
Oh my God, run!
You're ugly, Shrek.
Shrek trying to rape his own mom.
Stop it, Shrek. I'm getting you, Shrek. I will catch you in the act. Ah, he made me flip around.
You raped me!
Wow. What the? What happened?
We bounced into the sky.
Oh, yes. That's how I went to this magical place. It's called your mall. Hey, can I go upstairs? Because Kenyon might get loud.
Get off of me,
I
please.
don't know how loud Kenyon's going to get. Because he's going to get loud.
Stop getting suffocated.
Alright, Kenyon. I'm just going to suffocate you with this stroller. Hide in the darkness. You thought you were too horny. Ow! Like a beehive. Those little horns they got. Ah, that stings me. I am just gonna shove it in a snout with a piggy. Its name is Buford, and it's a Herbert, aka a perp. Rip my phone! Sick. What the fuck, man? Murder?
What the? You didn't see me?
No, I'm stuck on my floor.
I'm freaking bumped into the sky.
I know. Oh yeah, I saw that. Wait, why am I not attached to you? I just heard the siren. I just heard it. I hear it. It's your mom. It's your mama. Okay, dude, where are you? Oh, there's a lion. There's a lion running. Has scabies. I love you. You want? I am on somebody. I'm on a police officer. I'm on a police officer. I'm on a police officer.
Wait, that's you?
I'm on a police officer. I'm messing with the law. I messed with the law. Oh no. I messed with the law. The law won. Get back here, kid. Yeah. Hey, kid. A pig. Help! A pig. Oh, God. It's a sick pig. Oh. 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 Oh, yeah.
After we joined. Someone let me run.
Did you die?
No one let me run.
Okay, well. There's a Spooderman. Oh, this guy has... Spooderman! Shrek, where are you? Scabby! Shut up. Where's Shrek at? That was funny. Where's Shrek at? I like Shrek. Shrek is about to get wrecked. Oh, God! Whoever's in my path will get caught. So you better get out of my way. Hey, you get out of my way. Yeah, I caught an ugly one. Oh, I didn't catch anyone. Hey, there's a lion with scabies. There's a lion. I just love how I keep dropping the kids that are.
What are we eating?
Get out of the movie. Get out of the movies right now. Get out of the movies. It's illegal for you to be. Get out of the movie. Kind of just messed. Oh, that was a nice movie. I'll just get in my stroller. I'm just gonna steal you. Never mind, I can't steal you. Hey, you thick boy! Get out of there. Ew, naked child! Oh, there's a police officer! Ugh. Help! Police officer! I didn't do anything except for, like, you know, a lot of things. Boy, I got you. I got your thickness. Stop, police dingus! I'm gonna run away. I'm gonna run away. Help, Canyon! I did it! Help! Stop! Oh my God, this guy needs to stop. He's a jerk. And he's targeting me! I'm about to quit this game and I'll report this bitch.
Run! Shrek's chasing us.
No, I'm getting chased by... He hates me! Stop, you bitch. He's not even after you! He's after me! Stop! Help!
It's not even an actual player. It's an actual police officer.
No, that's just what they named themselves. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is, Kenyon. They just named themselves police officer.
You're a demon, that's probably why.
Well, I'm glad to be a demon, but... He glitched you, Lucky. Oh my God. I wish I could report this dingus.
You won't let me go.
He's a pervert. I hate... Well, I think this is one of our subscribers. One of my subscribers. He ain't If this is one of my subscribers, I am hating on them so bad. If Kenyon, help me. He's targeting you? Then he's one of my subscribers. He's one of our subscribers, Kenyon. I hate whoever this subscriber this is. I hate them. Hate them. I wish they would jump off a cliff and die. Bleed till they're dead. And I'll just enjoy it. Run! He's targeting me again!
I'm gonna hide from him.
Run. You can't hide. He's so quick. There is no hiding. It's the freaking police. Man, I mean, I know I'm a wanted criminal, but God. Okay, dude, where are you?
After he shot you, you can't do anything.
Ah! Police! No! Run, please.
What the?
No, don't come after me, please, 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 please. I didn't mean to say all those mean things about you. I don't care, boy.
I'm leaving this game. No one doesn't hurt me.
I'm getting him. What? Is there a police officer after me? Oh. No, police is over there. Kenyon, where are you? You can't run around. Police brutality. Police brutality. That police is the worst. I hate you, police! Shut up!
I'm not playing it. Retarded.
No, you're not even near the place. I know I committed a few crimes, but that doesn't mean anything. I'm only a teenager. I'm only a teenager.
I'm playing natural disaster survival. It has
I'm being a kid.
it has 1,626,391 likes and 167,488 dislikes.
Oh, police, stop it. Good for you. I captured Spider-Man.
Run around in circles if life depends on it. Join me, Daniel.
No, I'm making. All right, so we're gonna go to McDonald's. I'm going to McDonald's, whatever. Oh, she has a stroller. She has a stroller. Just gonna walk around, running. Hey, baby. You've gotten in my way. Never get in my way. Hey, why are you in my way? Gotcha! Oh, dang it, wait, I missed. Hey, hey, girl. I'm gonna put you in my stroller now. Bye. Please, you pervert! Ah, I captured Zizzy. Police. Hey, baby. Just go in there. Woo! Oh, dang it. I didn't capture them. Hey, baby. That's fine. Ah! No. Stop. Help. Stupid police. No! I'm hiding. Staying in the water. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. I've been a bad boy. That's why the police is after me. Not only am I a demon, I am robbing and I'm just like taking people. He flew on me, Rebus. Stop! I wish you were dead. I hate police. I hate police! Ah! Wrong person. Perv. You're a perv. That's what you are. You're a pervert. You're an idiotic, stupid, dumb, fat dingus. Wish you would jump off a cliff already. I'm sorry, guys. When I rage, I really rage. And I took that girl from her home. I'm sorry, but when I rage, I'm not nice to people. I am very rude. I'm so rude. Especially since I know. Oh, that's hilarious. I'm like, well, when this? Nice muscles. I thought she was gonna say nice music. Muscles. What muscles? You mean the ones that he don't have? Oh, no, I'm saying. Hello, little kid. Oh, who I just took. I'm gonna take you hostage. Take this one hostage. My friend Kenyon has joined. I got you. Oh wait, did I just buy that home? Did I just seriously buy that? Also, there's the police. Stupid police, you drunk idiot. I think I just took the police. agree. The police is a big fat jerk. He needs the break. Like, this is one of those police officers who just are rude. Like, come on, man. Do your job. Don't just... I mean, I guess he's doing my job. Oh, there's another policeman. Ah! Now the psychopath one. Yeah, that's just a police officer who is rude. Oh, I just kidnapped him. I'm here before today. Kenyon! I see Spider-Man. Looks like he could use some help. Go take a dip in the water. Okay, you do not look like Spider-Man. I remember you. You're drunk. Oh yeah, I just... Baby abuse. Ah! Come on, boy! Woo! Woo! Get the work! Get the work! Woo! Woo! I lost him. No. Kenyon! Are you a kid? Where are you? No, police! Where is that? I hear the taser.
No, I was gonna say when last time you talked to food.
Surely he won't bother me in McDonald's, right?
What did he say?
Stupid police!
Let him wait.
You're not the right police, are you? No, you're the nice policeman, but I just like... Hey, I was helping you stupid policeman! I got this stupid teddy bear idiot! No, stop it. I will keep this stupid teddy bear idiot in here if you don't stop. I'm a wanted criminal without no doubts. I am wanted. Hey, boy, let's go for a swim, big boy. Just dumped him in the water. I hate police, because they hate me. Kenyon, are you still in the game?
No, I'm not still in the game anymore.
Alright. And I know you're not lying because it showed. This is the rudest police officer. Stupid. Bye. He just will not go in the water. Yeet! Woo! Woo! What's good? Ah! You missed. Oh, you did. Like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!